We will start removing the front fascia by unplugging the headlights, pushing down on the tab. And if they're being stubborn, a little electronics cleaner will usually remove any debris, allowing them to unplug smoothly. Next, we will remove the hood by turning these two knobs a quarter turn in. Then we can start on the front fascia itself with these two pop rivets. And if one breaks, don't stress, they can usually be pulled out by pushing the pin out from behind. We'll make sure to get the same two pop rivets on the other side. Next, we can remove the winch access panel with its 4 Phillips screws and set it aside as it won't be reinstalled. I also find it's helpful to bag and label parts as they come off so I don't lose them. Now all that's holding the front fascia on are these 6 Torx 27 star bolts, and it's worth noting the longer 2 bolts are for the top 2 holes. Now our winch and fair lead are securely mounted to the machine, so we can reinstall our front fascia's 6 Torx 27 star bolts, remembering the longer 2 go at the top. Then I replaced the 4 pop rivets I broke earlier, 2 on each side of the front fascia. And I like to replace these anyway because a big bag of them is cheap, and I find it very handy to have fresh pop rivets available for when they inevitably break or fall out. Finally, just pop the hood back on and plug in our headlights.